Hello all, welcome back to Sovi. I will be posting easy crochet tutorials every Saturday. This week we'll transform this simple canvas bag into a crochet bag. Are you excited? The base is a canvas bag that I got from Amazon. I've put the link in description if you want to order. And I'll use a 4-ply cotton yarn. I'll use a colorful one for this so that it's good for the video. And the hook size is 3.5 millimeters. All the links are added in description if you want to order directly. Like most of my projects, we'll start with a magic ring. So wrap it around your fingers like this and start with chain 2. Make 11 double crochet. I'm just keeping this in the video and making it fast. If you want, you can pause here and come back when you have completed 11 double crochets. At the end, we have like total 12 stitches on the loop now. Pull the string and make a slip stitch in the first chain 2 that we had started with. With this, our round 1 is complete. For next round, we'll start with chain 4. Make a double crochet in the next stitch. Repeat this pattern chain 2 and double crochet till you come back. Complete round 2 with a slip stitch and chain 6. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Just watch this carefully. We'll make a triple crochet in that stitch from the previous round and not in between the gaps. So we'll repeat this many times in this project. Again, repeat the pattern chain 3 and triple crochet in the stitch. We get this nice web-like design. Complete round 3 again with a slip stitch in the first chain 3 and chain 2. Make 4 half double crochet in the gap before the next stitch and make a half double crochet in the stitch. So we have this type of pattern many times in this project. Repeat this 4 half double crochet in the gap and 1 half double crochet on the stitch of the previous round. Complete round 4 with a slip stitch and let's start with chain 3. Skip 1 stitch and make a slip stitch. Again, chain 3, skip 1 stitch from the round of half double crochets and make a chain 3. Repeat this. We get kind of semicircles. It's starting to look like a mandala now. Complete round 5 and start with chain 4. Before that, we want to come to the center of this semicircle. So we are making 2 half double crochets and then we start with chain 4. In the previous round we had those semicircles of 3 chain stitches, so we make a slip stitch in the middle of those 3. Again chain 4 and make a slip stitch in the middle of those 3 chain stitches. Complete round 6. If you want, you can pause here, complete your round and then join back. Again, when we start the next round, we will make 3 half double crochets and then start our round with chain 6. Now we'll make a triple crochet in the 2 stitches. So we had 4 chain stitches in the previous round for those semicircles. We take the center 2 and try to pass our hook through both of those. You will find an overlap where we can pass our hook and complete the triple crochet. So for this round the pattern is triple crochet and chain 3. If you're watching the video till here, please subscribe to the channel. I'll be dropping such easy crochet tutorials every Saturday on this channel. You can also watch the video in 0.5x to carefully watch what is happening. Complete round 7 and chain 2. Now we are almost done. We have to make the last round of double crochets. So in the gap, in the same way what we have done before, we will make 4 half double crochets and 1 half double crochet on the stitch. Complete round 8 with these half double crochets, and you can make as many half double crochet rounds like the one we just made based on the size of the canvas bag. With this colorful yarn, I didn't need to make many half double crochet rounds. I just needed 2 of these. But with the cream yarn, I had to make 4 of such rounds. So you'll have to make each round with an increase, and that increase can happen after 10 to 11 stitches. So the 12th stitch can be an increase stitch. Once our mandala is ready, we can stick the patch on the canvas bag. I stuck it with this All Fix by Fevicol, and this Fevicol works quite well. If you enjoyed making this bag, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. I will be posting new tutorial every Saturday. Until then, happy crocheting!